Introduction to Dry Mortar Packaging Machine. Dry mortar packaging bags are mainly open bags and valve bags. Packaging machines can be divided into open bag packaging machines and valve bag packaging machines. Open bag packaging machines need to be equipped with a bag sewing machine, which increases labor costs, equipment investment costs, and equipment maintenance costs. Valve bags are currently popular international packaging bags. They are filled with materials through valve ports. After filling, the bags are neatly stacked and beautiful. They are environmentally friendly bags. Valve bags have automatic sealing characteristics and do not require additional bag sewing machines and bag sewing personnel. After a large number of user surveys, technical personnel have fully studied and analyzed the various material properties of dry mortar and successfully developed a pneumatic packaging machine suitable for the dry mortar industry. At present, Shanghai Guangxi Pneumatic Packaging Machine has been in many dry mortar stations and dry mortar engineering users. After a large number of rigorous tests, it has won praise from users. Product introduction of pneumatic dry mortar packaging machine. Most dry mortar materials have poor fluidity, and pneumatic packaging machines use compressed air as power. Compressed air flows through the atomizer to fluidize the material in the sealed container, thereby achieving the function of conveying and feeding. The sealed container uses a pneumatic rubber valve, and the flow area of the valve is controlled to control the feeding amount of the packaged material, achieving effective and stable packaging accuracy and speed. Powder air feed valve bag packaging machine. Technical parameters. 1. Applicable materials, various powders. 2. Feeding method, air delivery. 3. Weighing range, 5 to 50 kilograms. 4. Packaging speed, 4 to 7 bags/minute. 5. Measuring accuracy, plus or minus 0.2% to 0.4%, related to material uniformity and packaging speed. 6. Instrument gas, air pressure, 0.5-0.7 MPa gas consumption, 0.2 cubic meters per minute. 7. Process gas, air pressure, 0.05-0.07 MPa. Gas consumption, 3-4 m3/min. 8. Dust removal gas, air pressure, minus 200 pascals, air volume, 15-20 m3/min. 9. Power supply, AC 380 V, 50 Hz, 0, 5 kilowatts. 10. Dimensions, length 1550, width 1170, height 2600, reference dimensions, unit, mm. Product features. The material enters the sealed bin on the packaging machine and is transported to the packaging bag through intelligently controlled air pressure. Compared with other models, it has the characteristics of high packaging speed and high stability. It has been successfully applied in domestic carbon black, building materials, and other industries for a long time. How to use. When the operator puts on the packaging bag, the switch is triggered by the way. The packaging machine starts to automatically and quickly add materials and automatically slows down during the packaging process. When the weight reaches the set value, the packaging is automatically ended and the sealed silo is replenished. After that, the operator can carry out the next bagging packaging. Expandability. 1. When used with a belt conveyor, an automatic bag unloading mechanism can be optionally installed. At the end of each automatic packaging, the bag unloading mechanism automatically unloads the packaged bags onto the belt conveyor. Effectively reduce the labor intensity of the staff. 2. The discharge port can be equipped with an air ring bag expansion device to significantly reduce dust. 3. To improve the packaging environment, use a small dust removal fan to basically avoid dust. 4. After adding the open bag clamp, this model can achieve the effect of valve bags and open bags. Greatly save the user's equipment procurement cost. Based on the more than 20 years of development experience of the company's technical team, GLZON is actively participating in and promoting the fourth industrial revolution in all walks of life in my country, and writing the future of digital industrial automation in the industry. With the rapid development of Industry 4.0 around the world, GLZON Group is willing to work with you to develop and create win-win situations. We integrate knowledge, constantly break through ourselves, and innovate to help China Manufacturing 2025 develop. Our liquid filling machines guarantee the maximum productivity of the processes, prioritizing the safety of employees and offering post-sales technical support with great added value. Through the years, we have introduced the innovative smart filling concept. This concept, which incorporates the latest technologies available, allows for achieving high levels of productivity with great accuracy and precision. This function allows us to adapt to different types of products: chemical, petrochemical, agrochemical, food, containers, and environments. We are specialized in creating liquid filling systems for containers from 1 to 1,500 liters. Discover our range of liquid fillers. We can offer you basic to fully automated filling systems. Today, our customer-focused approach will be on project proposal/management/execution and after-sales support. Our service support are committed, widely recognized, and thus build up our good reputation. We are taking more determined steps to meet the inspection of customers with high-quality products. Customers are welcome to order our products.